Yo, what's up my peoples? On today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing a couple of products by a company named Satechi. I hope I said that right. They make some great products. They seem to have a niche for making a lot of products for Apple. Everything from chargers to iPad holders, adapters, computer stands, car mounts, and even headphones. Then I'm gonna unbox my iPhone 11 Max, which I just purchased. I've actually been someone who's kind of resisted getting large phones. My current phone before this one was actually the original iPhone X, which is 5.8 inches. I hope you guys liked the video. Here we have the phone up first. I know I said I was going to leave it for last, but let's actually begin the unboxing with the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Let's take the iPhone out of the box, peel off the protection film. As you can see, the typical iPhone construction. Beautiful screen and amazing finishes with this super glossy black display. Next, we'll grab the usual suspects that come with the iPhone. The paperwork, which includes some text and images, as well as the known Apple stickers. Next, we'll take out the headphones, place them right over here, followed by the charging wire and charging brick. Apple started including fast charging with the iPhone 11. Now that we are done, let's grab all this goodness and put it back in the box. Let's take a look at these cases I purchased from Spigen. I got the Spigen Ultra Hybrid in crystal clear and the Spigen Liquid Air Armor in matte black. Links are in the description. Let's unbox the matte black first, so we can experience the case hands-on and see how it looks and feels on the iPhone. Now we can put the case over the iPhone. Let's make sure we carefully slide each corner in. Looks like the phone is dead, so let me quickly charge it and then turn it on. The case fits great and it feels good on the hand. This case I have purchased for every single phone starting with the iPhone 6. Let's remove this case so that we can get the other one on. This is the Spigen Ultra Hybrid crystal clear case. Let's open up the box, pull it out of the plastic. Now I have removed the stickers that come with the case on the inside and the outside. I just didn't film it. Place the case over the phone. It looks great. I love this case. Let's move on to Satechi, but let's first talk about them as a company. Satechi was founded in 2005 and is headquartered in San Diego. They are a passionate, award-winning company who is in love with sleek designs that are not only great quality but also affordable. They are one of the first consumer electronic companies to design and carry Type-C products and accessories. I fell in love with their designs when looking to build my ultimate desk setup, specifically because a lot of them have Apple finishes. And let's not forget the quality, it's top-notch. And no, I did not get sponsored for this video. I paid for this out of pocket. On to the unboxing. Let's start with the wireless charger. This is the aluminum Type-C wireless charger. I got this in space gray color to match the iMac Pro. Let's just sit this down now and move on. Now let's grab the second iPhone charger. This is called the aluminum lightning charging stand. Let's grab the knife again and open the box up and pull it out of the box. Let's give it a quick flip. Looks really simple, but take my word for it. It's nicely designed and it feels great in the hand. I purchased this primarily because I love the way it sits the phone up. As a software engineer, sometimes we have to test on multiple devices, and having the phone sit up and being able to view it at an angle is just perfect for that. Now, onto the iPad stand, which is called the R1 aluminum hinge holder foldable stand. Woo! Okay, T1000. That was a mouthful. This will be used in a similar fashion to the iPhone charger stand, and this was also purchased in a space gray finish, as you can see. Now this thing can be set to so many different angles. Activating the hinge feels great. The build quality on this is not just great, it's fantastic. Let's place this on the table and make sure we balance it so it can stand on its own, and then we can cut to some footage or B-roll of the devices in the office. Alright guys, that's the video. If you like what you saw, please subscribe, hit the like button, share the video, and if you got anything to say, hit the comment section below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.